Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download sync.com for desktop and set share permissions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download sync.com for desktop, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official sync.com website. Once on the home page, locate the download button at the top of the page. Click on the download button. You will be directed to a page featuring options for various platforms. Select the option for your operating system, either Windows or Mac. The download should begin automatically. If it does not, you might need to click a provided link to start the download manually. Once the file has downloaded, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open sync.com from your Applications folder or desktop shortcut. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to sync.com, you can create a free account at this stage. After logging in, navigate to the folder you wish to set share permissions for. Right-click on the folder in your sync.com interface. Select the sharing option from the context menu. You will see a prompt to create a shared link or invite users to the folder. To create a shared link, choose the link option. You can customize the link settings, such as expiration date or password protection. To invite users, select the invite option and enter their email addresses. Once you have set the desired sharing permissions, click Send or Create Link. You'll receive a confirmation that the link has been created or users have been invited. Your folder is now ready to be shared with others, according to the permissions you've set. Continue managing your files and sharing options as needed. This concludes the tutorial on downloading sync.com for desktop and setting share permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.